Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about offset class of bootstrap. First of all, what is offset? If you provide some spaces between the column from right, from left, from in the center, in between, then we provide offset class. Here you can see we have two margins. First from the left, here you can see first from left we have 3 grid margin, and between this column we have 2 grid margin with the help of these two offset classes. We can also have offset class breakpoint. We have 4 breakpoint. First is for extra large screen, then we have large screen, medium screen and small screen, and we don't have any breakpoint for extra small screen. Okay, and when you provide the breakpoint of offset class, then you have to provide the grade number from 0 to 11. You cannot provide 12. Okay, and if you are using directly without any breakpoint, then you can provide from 1 to 12. Okay, now we will see how we can practically implement offset class in bootstrap. Okay. Now we will see how we can practically implement offset class in bootstrap. For that we have to first provide the link. I already told you how to link bootstrap. First we have to provide the CSS link in the top, and in body we have to provide the JavaScript link. Okay, now here I provide container class. We have to first provide the container class, and in container we have to provide row class, and in this row class we have to provide call class. I just simply provide 3 grid call class, and here I provide some text, and I just provide another column, five grid, and in this column I provide some 20 word text. Okay, now I just provide the class that I created here, green and gray class. Okay, I just remove this white color. Now let's save, and here I provide a class gray, and here I provide class green. Now let's save. You can see we have here 2 classes, and you can see it worked perfectly fine. Okay, now I just provide here in this first column class I provide offset set, and here I provide 3 grid. Now let's save. You can see it take 3 grid margin, and now you can also calculate the total grid number. Here 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. Now we have 1 grid left. If you provide margin, then it is fine. Here if I reduce this to 3, and here also I provide offset of set 3, or you can see now 3 3 3 is 12. Now let's save. You can see we have 3 grid margin, and this is 3 grid column, and here we have 3 grid margin, and here you can see we have 3 grid column. Now let's see in inspection and set according to device. You can see it is in extra large, it look like same, and when we reduce large, medium, small, extra small, it is same. You can clearly see. We can also provide the breakpoint. For example, here I just provide MD medium screen breakpoint. Okay, and we have to provide here also MD. Okay, now here also now let's save. You can see it is in large work same, in large, and in medium it is same, having 3 width. When we decrease to medium to small, then it come to the each column in each row. You can see when we reduce, it is in the same way. We want to provide some changes. For example, I want this offset to be increased when we have in extra large screen. For example, I just provide XL, and here I provide 4 grid. Okay, and I just reduce this column to, I just copy this and paste here, and here also I provide XL, and I just provide 2 grid. Okay, now when I increase to the, when we are in large screen, then this text come to the 2 grid and we have 4 grid offset. Now let's see how it works. Let's say now when I come to the extra large screen, you can see the margin here we have 4 grid and this is in 1 grid. When we reduce to large screen, it decrease. Okay, you can see it is in large screen and you can see we have 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, and similarly you can provide for the extra small screen. For example, I just copy and here I just provide 5 in large screen LG, and I just reduce the offset, copy and paste here, and here I provide in LG, and here I provide 1 grid. Now let's save. Okay, when I just come to the extra large, you can see we have 4 grid offset, and here we have 1 grid this column. When we decrease to large screen, now it is 1 grid and it is of 4 grid, and we have some, all of the other thing is same. When we decrease to medium, it is having 3, 3, 3. When we decrease to the small, it come to the each column having each row. This is how you can provide offset class in Bootstrap. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.